In this video, we will see about the structure of the atmosphere. For example, in this world, any type of body or any type of object it will be having a particular type of atmosphere that contains that classification or that is a material producing composition also. For similar that in atmosphere it will be having the some type of features with respect to their altitude and their hotness or coldness that indicates the temperature. So basically the atmosphere it will be divided into the several structures like troposphere and stratosphere and mesosphere and thermosphere. So in this category, in this graph, the y-axis it will be located or indicated as altitude in respective of kilometer, and the x-axis is located is the temperature with the unit mentioned as degree Celsius. So in this category, the first state of the atmosphere it is called as stratosphere. It will be having the temperature level of it's equivalent to the 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, and it will be located from the earth surface is above the 10 kilometer. There will be maximum of 10 to 16 kilometer. So from this graph, the temperature will be reduced with dependent of due to the altitude will be increasing. So from this concept, in a troposphere structures, in the ground surface, the altitude it will be increased, the temperature automatically will be decreasing. That is also called as lapse rate. Lapse rate means the temperature level will be decreasing with respect to the altitude it will be increases. If the end of this troposphere, it will be having the starting of the next layer, it is called as stratosphere. So the end of the state will be called as it is a tropopause. So the next state it is a stratosphere will starting from the next level kilometer 16 to up to maximum of 15 kilometer. So in this state the temperature level will be increased with respect to the altitude. So the lapse rate also will be increasing in the state of stratosphere, and the end of the thickness layer will be located in the stratosphere. It is called as stratopause. After the stratopause, the altitude and the temperature level will be decreases. The altitude level increases and the temperature level will be decreases. This is called as the mesosphere, and the end of the state is the mesosphere. It is located as the mesopause. After the mesosphere, the final stage, before that final stage, that is called as thermosphere. In thermosphere, the temperature level will be increased huge with respect to the temperature. Maximum of what of degree Celsius it will be increased, and from the earth level, the thermosphere is located is above the 90 kilometer section. So in this thermosphere, it will be quarter rectangle will be divided with respect to the earth surfaces. After the final phase, the temperature level of thermosphere increasing depends on comparing with troposphere. After the several height of particular altitude level and temperature level, again after the thermosphere, it will be another one section. It's called as the exosphere. In this exosphere, the temperature level it will be lowering down with due to the ultimate and temperature level. So finally, in tropopause and stratopause and mesosphere and thermosphere, it will be having the lot of different types of gases will be here. Initially, it is the troposphere. From the earth surface, it will be located as up to 16 kilometer. Maximum of all living human beings or any type of living things will be having the specialized area or will be have the localized area to live this. It is called as in this stage it will be only the occupied for the living things. So it is called as troposphere. And after the stratosphere, the helium gases will be occupied here. So in this area, the ultraviolet rays will be occupying the more amount of gases in this location. Here troposphere will be having the UV rays also. but it will be can withstand the any type of rays because of it will be located is near of the ground surface. Thank you.